Land Transportation Franchising and Regulatory Board or LTFRB Chairman Teofilo Guadis III clarifies that no immediate penalties will be imposed on violators on May 1, even though the PUV consolidation deadline already lapsed on April 30th. The LTFRB chief says PUV operators and drivers who have yet to consolidate will be given due process and will be sent notices in May to explain non-compliance. Only after the LTFRB deems that the reason for non-compliance are insufficient will franchises be revoked and actions taken.
Hindi naman ho kaagad-agad manghuhuli ang LTFRB. May proseso po yan. Pag hindi ka nakapag-consolidate, padadalan ka namin ng notice. Magpaliwanag ka sa amin kung bakit ka hindi nag-consolidate. Pag talagang wala kang magandang paliwanag, then we will issue the order revoking your franchise. At pag na-revoke na yung franchise mo, that's within 15 to 20 days. At ikaw ay pumasada pa, either ang LTO or ang local government unit na po ang huhuli sa inyo.